The Maihandasi Dog Bed MD-1001 is crafted from extremely durable 2520D Oxford fabric, ensuring it stands up to the energetic antics of even the most active dogs. This orthopedic dog bed provides exceptional comfort and support, with its high-density memory foam and egg crate foam, promoting healthier joints and restful sleep for large dogs. The waterproof cover of the Maihandasi Dog Bed is easily removable and washable, making it simple to keep your pet's sleeping area clean and fresh. Safety is a priority with the non-slip bottom, which keeps the bed securely in place even on slippery surfaces, providing a stable environment for dogs with mobility issues. The stylish gray design of the Maihandasi Dog Bed complements any home decor, while the three-sided bolster offers additional support for your pet's head and neck. Whether used indoors or outdoors, this versatile dog bed offers a comfortable retreat for medium to large dogs, making it a valuable addition to any pet owner's home.